Hello, you are watching Elvira from America. In this video, I'm showing my hand-knitted suit. This suit includes beret, top, tuxedo skirt, belt, and jacket. All this knitting takes a lot of time. I'm almost finished, but not quite. Fashion is my passion. I'm creating this fashion with my hands. I detail every item, front and back, also sleeves, and then sew them together. After many hours, I wash them with woolite and rinse. After washing, I put them on a flat table to dry and shape them. When half dry, I use an iron to block them. I'm using spray starch. This way it holds the shape and makes them more beautiful. I have to be careful while washing and blocking to make sure I don't destroy the fabric. I left access so that later I can add the elastic for the waistband of the skirt. About fabric that I will use to make a liner for the skirt and jacket. I'm always happy with the end results. Before I sew the buttons, I sewed some fabric liner inside that will better hold the buttons onto knitted fabric. And on the after I sewed the buttons. I hope my suit will find the owner who will feel herself beautifully and comfortably. I definitely will show her in my suit. I design my clothes with many details in mind, color, lines, style, that all together will bring a special charm. I also care about the quality. I hope my video was interesting. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Take care of yourself and yours. Thank you. Elvira from America.